Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a folder on your website using a feature in cPanel called directory privacy. This is super useful if you have a folder, like an admin area, a client portal, or a staging site, that you don't want the public to access without a username and password. Let's jump straight into cPanel. First, log into your cPanel account. This is usually provided by your hosting company, and you can normally access it by going to yourdomain.com/cPanel or through a link in your hosting dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main cPanel homepage, which shows all your available tools organized by category, files, databases, domains, email, security, and so on. Now, scroll down, or use the search bar at the top, and type in directory privacy. You'll find this tool under the Files section. Click on it to open the tool. This will bring you to a File Manager style view, where you can browse through your website's folder structure to choose exactly which folder you want to protect. By default, you'll usually start in the home directory of your website and go into public_HTML, which is the root folder of your website. From here, click through the folders to find the one you want to lock down. For example, if you want to protect a folder called Private Folder, just click into it. Or click directly on the folder name if you can see it listed. Tip: if the folder doesn't exist yet, you can create it first using File Manager, then come back here. Once you're inside the correct folder, you'll see a checkbox that says something like, Password protect this directory. Check that box. A new field will appear asking you to enter a name for the protected directory. This is just a label that appears in the login prompt, so make it something recognizable, like Members Only, or Client Files. Click Save to apply these settings. After saving, a new section will appear where you can create a username and password for someone who's allowed to access this folder. Enter a username. Enter a strong password. cPanel will usually show you a password strength indicator. Click Add/Modify Authorized User. You can repeat this step to add multiple users if more than one person needs access, each with their own login credentials. Important: these are completely separate from your cPanel login and your WordPress or website logins. This is its own independent authentication layer, known as HTTP authentication, sitting in front of the folder. Now let's test it. Open a new browser tab, or better, an incognito/private window, and go directly to the folder's URL, like yourdomain.com/private-folder. You should immediately see a browser pop-up asking for a username and password. Enter the credentials you just created. If it accepts them and loads the folder, congratulations, your directory is now password protected. A few quick tips before we wrap up. This method protects the entire folder and everything inside it, including subfolders, unless you set up privacy separately for those. It works independently of your website's CMS, so it's great for protecting non-WordPress files, backups, or staging environments. To remove protection later, just come back to directory privacy, uncheck the box, and save. And that's it. That's how easy it is to password protect any folder on your site using cPanel's directory privacy tool. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more hosting and web tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.